Why y'all being so noisy, bros? Oh, Leland, shoulder check me, you dirty bitch. All good. Alright, Anna's already up. I'm gonna come up. Lila's dead! Ha ha! That was a lucky fucking move, baby! Sometimes it's better be lucky than good, you know what I'm saying, boys? That was nice. Hell yeah. Alright, where's Grandpa? There he is. Y'all gonna slap some locks on them doors, baby? Grandpa's going to level 1 right now. Which is nice, because I'm about level 10. I'm gonna go knock out the obstacles upstairs, guys. God damn it, basement exit open. I don't even know where the fucking fuse is. What the? Where is it? I can't see it, guys. I can't see the where is the fuse box? Bro, I have no idea where this fucking fuse box is. Why is it not showing up on my family vision? Well, we're fucked. Alright, here it is. I'm gonna shut it off as soon as I can, guys. I'm standing right here. Good job. What? I'm right here. Don't blame me, I already killed somebody. Why are you mad, Cook? Go fucking hear somebody, you bitch. Oh, this thing is already off? My bad. Anna's up here. Cook, come help. She's over here. Good job. She's going out of the back door, back window. I mean, if one person got away, that ain't the end of the world, boys. GG's. Good job, boys. Follow me on Twitch, CW Viper. Tim Smash stuff I got me on YouTube. Man, I got lucky on that Leland kill. Haha, GG's.